house need to get out more. I've been stacking up like I'm fundraising. Most people in my position get complacent. Come places with star girls, end up on the front pages. I'm quiet with it, I just ride with it. The moment I stop having fun with it, I'll be done with it. I'm the only one that's putting shots up, and like a potluck, you need to come with it. Don't run from it. H-Town in the summertime, I keep it 100. A lot of girls in my times there, word of Paul Wall, not one fronted. Birthday in my first year, man, I know that place like I come from it. Backstage at warehouse in 09 like it's fun coming. Dad, is anyone coming before I show up there and there's no one there? These days I could probably pack it for like 20 nights if I go in there. Back girl for my main thing, I've been stressed out. Talking to her like back then, they didn't want me, I'm blessed out. Talking to her like this, dropping a million copies, get pressed out. She tell me take a deep breath, too worried about being the best. Someone go tell Noel to get the backwards. Money got my whole family going backwards. No dinners, no holidays, no nothing. There's issues that
Vamos con más.
Oh, they got a little live band.
Mexican boyfriend.
Call you? They got 7-Eleven, y'all. And they got Slurpees. Come give me a big look. You got helping ugly people get laid since 1538. Tequila. They got snakes and shit in here. They do.
You want a straight one or a flavor?
No, I don't.
Strong or this is just a snake. This is
This is the tequila store. They said they've been here before get laid.
the big boss, right? He's not the boss. I'm gonna give you an H tequila because it's aged. This one here, you can't find it. You can't find it. You only drink it clear. No.
You want to try one?
For me, better. It's better because it's more smooth.
I've never done this one, so
Have the same portion, 34%. But have 3 years on the bar, that's why it's dark. It's really. This is real tequila, lady, no patron, okay?
Reposado means
Right, this is actually tequila made in Tequila the town. Yeah? Ladies, you want to sip? Take it, you sure? You want it?
I'm trying to go to sleep tonight, not stay up.
Huh? Really good, yeah.
Say woo!
No hangover tomorrow, lady. No sugar cane. I promise you that.
He don't want me to get no picture of him. Look at John. Look at you right here, Jay. He don't want you to get no pictures. You gotta give him